Imagine a 10-page meeting transcript, full of digressions, asides, and human noise. Now, imagine trying to feed that chaos into a Jira ticket field, which demands perfect structure, clear acceptance criteria, and absolute focus. This is where most AI projects fail. The goal isn't just summarization. It's translation. We are forcing a highly variable, messy natural language input into a rigid, machine-executable JSON schema. And the secret to that reliability isn't in the Python code, it's in the instructions. So we stop thinking about the code and start thinking about the prompt. We need to teach the model its role. You are a meticulous technical scribe. Your task is to act as the bridge between human ambiguity and machine certainty. Crucially, the prompt must include examples of mapping noise. If the transcript says, "I think we should probably try to add logging," you need to explicitly instruct the AI that this maps directly to implement verbose logging for service layer changes, and then extract all related ticket fields. Once the prompt is locked down, and it's often a full page of instructions, the Python script becomes incredibly simple. It's just the pipe. Take the raw text, pass it to the LLM with our masterful prompt, and receive the structured output. That's the bridge. 5 lines of functional Python code are enough to orchestrate a complex, large language model into performing the heavy lifting of semantic translation and structural enforcement. And the output? It's not a summary. It's perfect, parsable JSON. The acceptance criteria array is populated exactly as requested by the engineering team, ready to be pushed directly into Jira's API. But the journey doesn't end there. For production reliability, you must add error handling for when the transcript is truly ambiguous, when the AI needs to flag a section as needing human review instead of guessing. By treating the LLM not as a magic black box, but as a powerful, programmable function you are precisely constraining, you move from building a nice-to-have feature to mission-critical infrastructure.